Hello everyone, welcome to the first section of this course. Now, let's just quickly dive into a section outline. This section is purely based on the understanding of what is termux, and then we'll go through the security features of termux. Next, we're gonna learn what is shell and why we're using the termux. Next, we'll quickly go through its installation process and we'll understand what is F-Droid. What are the various usage of termux and its package management? And lastly, we'll have a short Q&A board. Feel free to throw up all your doubts in Q&A and I would be happy to guide you. So thank you so much for taking up this course. Your journey throughout this course gonna be amazing. Wish you all the best and see you in the next class.